Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, in today's video I'll show you how to easily hang a hanger like this. Now this has screw holes on the back. It's always challenging to figure out where these holes should go on your wall. I'll show you an easy trick. So we're going to use some blue tape like this right here, and you can see I put a strip of tape right across this part right here, and then on the tape we're just going to draw a little line right here, and another one right in the middle of where that screw is going to go right here. Now we're just simply going to take this off, and we're going to put it on the wall at the desired height. We're also going to use a level, and we can level out our tape. So now I'll just drill holes right underneath those two little spots. We can take off our tape. I'm going to use a couple heavy-duty drywall anchors like this one right here. You can install these with a screwdriver, but if you have a nice drill like this one right here, it really makes it easy. Next, we'll put in our screws. We're going to leave a little space there. And finally, we'll mount our piece. We'll pull it down to make sure those screws are where they're supposed to be. And there you can see it's absolutely perfectly level, right where we wanted it. Hey friends, I hope this helped you out. If it did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.